AYANEO just dropped their latest Windows gaming handheld console, the AYANEO Air Pro, and fans are absolutely in love with it. This is the Pro version of the previous AYANEO Air that comes with a bigger battery, shape, and better internal hardware. But the question is it powerful enough to beat the ultimate Windows gaming handheld Steam Deck? To find out, check out our today's video, where we will be comparing the latest AYANEO Air Pro with the Steam Deck. Design-wise, both handhelds look amazing with their own unique gaming aesthetic. Starting from the AYANEO Air Pro, this handheld is really small compared to the Steam Deck. It has a significantly better cooling system than the Air version, which gave this model a slightly bigger shape. Besides that, it has the same design as the AYANEO Air. Both thumbsticks are placed in the same position, including the LED RGB lights underneath, which looks fantastic in low light condition. Also, the top-notch finger grips feel really nice for a long-time gaming session. On the other hand, Steam Deck definitely has a much larger shape than the AYANEO Air Pro. It comes in only one color with a premium matte black finish. Both thumbsticks are placed perfectly at the top, and it is definitely comfortable to hold while gaming for a long time. It also comes with a touchpad on both sides, which is really useful when it comes to playing RTS and top-down games. Even though it comes in a slightly bigger structure, playing games on this device will surely bring joy to many users. Both handhelds are visually pleasing to look at, but compared to Steam Deck, AYANEO Air Pro comes in a really compact size. Some might even consider it as a mini Steam Deck. As we move on to the internal hardware, the Pro version of AYANEO Air comes with Ryzen 7 5825U processor with the Vega 8 graphics chip along with 16GB LPDDR4 RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. The upgraded graphics chip and processor made this Pro version an excellent Windows gaming handheld. As a result, most modern AAA games will run smoothly. It also comes with 5.5-inch OLED display along with 1080p resolutions, which provides really bright and fluid colors while gaming. In comparison, Steam Deck comes with AMD Zen 2 processor with up to 3.5 GHz boosted frequency along with 1.6 GHz 8-core RDNA 2 graphics chip, which makes this device powerful enough to handle most modern PC games. It also has 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD storage, where users can store all their favorite games as well. And the 7-inch IPS LCD touchscreen display comes in 1280 by 800 resolutions, along with 60Hz refresh rate. Windows gaming handheld enthusiasts will definitely love this display with 400 nits of brightness and vibrant colors. As much as we love the OLED displays of AYANEO Air Pro, the internal hardware of Steam Deck also needs to be more appreciated as well. When it comes to the price, Steam Deck definitely is the most affordable Windows gaming handheld. The 64GB version of this handheld starts at $399, and it goes up to $649 with the 512GB of internal storage, which is a really good deal compared to the other gaming handheld in this price range. Moving on to the AYANEO Air Pro, the base model price for this handheld is $649 USD, and the upgraded model is $969 USD. So judging from the price of the AYANEO Air Pro, it definitely belongs to the premium gaming handheld out there on the market, while the Steam Deck remains the most affordable Windows gaming handheld. Steam Deck and AYANEO Air Pro both are designed to run modern PC games, and they really perform incredibly well. But if you're planning to get one of these, then there are a few differences that are worth pointing out. If you're looking for powerful specs with a big display that comes in a really good price range, then Steam Deck is the right choice for you. And if you want a really nice OLED screen that will fit in your pocket just fine, then the AYANEO Air Pro should be your first choice. So which one do you think is the best for you? Let us know in the comment section below. So that was all about the comparison between AYANEO Air Pro and Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.